guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get clovers in Knockout. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to find out how to get clovers, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. So there are a few ways of getting clovers. The first way is by opening the crates, which you guys can purchase, for example, with Roblox, because there is a 150% or 40% chance of getting 150 shamrocks. Another way is by simply, or the easiest way is just by playing the game, because once you are in the game, you can also get clovers from there. And the other few ways are by, I believe you can also get it, no, not from spinning the wheel, but you could also just simply get it. The main way is going to be from getting it like by playing the game and then, you know, opening up the crates. But that should be pretty much it. And let's see, you can also go ahead and Agent Lucky Wonder, if you purchase this, I believe you also get clovers from that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much the main, I don't know why I didn't get into the game, but the main free way is just going to be by playing the game, and then you can get it from there. So that should be pretty much it. That is how to get clovers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.